Coast Hotel.
Yeah, this is our coffee pots, my bottled water, tea. And then
This is a sweet room.
yes.
Sweet.
Yeah. This is the sala.
Look, working table.
This is a 79 square meter room.
Huh? Okay.
Look. Oh, what's the view? Can you check the view? Wow,
Look,
Diamond
that
Beach.
swimming pool is in Diamond Hotel.
Oh,
But we are in New Coast Hotel.
New Coast Hotel.
Yes. I want to go back to Diamond Hotel.
Mm.